Appreciate it, man. See, stuff like that, dude, just makes my day. All right, my shoe's untied. Workout's complete. I got this cool little device called a Whoop. I don't know if you guys heard about it. Pretty cool. My girlfriend, or geez, my fiance. I gotta get better at that, man. It's been a few months now since I've proposed. My fiance put me on to it. Pretty cool device. Tracks a whole bunch of good data. So. If you're into health stuff, that is. Tracks like your sleep and heart rate, exercise data, stuff like that. Just throwing away my data to all the big companies. What am I gonna do with it? Nothing. Just kidding. Yeah, I don't know the long-term ramifications of that, so. Anyways, man, I'm gonna go get some lunch. And go home. Is that an M8? M6? M8 comp. Dang. Don't see those very often. Hopefully it puts it into sport. That's pretty clean. I like that a lot. One day maybe, I don't know. It's a pretty big ass car, so I thought the M4 was big, and then I saw an M8 one time and I was like, that's rather large. It's rather large. It's a rather large car. It's a boat, some may say. So anyways, ended up being not a bad day, not bad weather. I was gonna get my car detailed this morning. It's honestly not looking too bad, but my fiance has a detailer that comes and details her car every now and then because she trashes her car. But you know, I try to take care of mine. But when she has her detailer come, I usually have him, you know, spice things up a little bit in here. So he's pretty solid. Little DCT jerk there. It's always in front of people, dude. I swear the DCT jerk always happens when I'm in front of people. So.
Yo, I like your car.
Appreciate it, man. See, stuff like that, dude, just makes my day. Makes my day brighter. Probably saw the GoPro on my head and he's like, this guy. So anyways, Panda Express for lunch, white rice and chicken. I think that's the healthiest option they offer. Even then, I don't think it's too healthy, but that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing because we're lazy. And then you know, you gotta get your protein in, so, and your carbs. So anyways, that's what we'll do. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm gonna try to get these videos posted today and tomorrow, which will be Saturday and Sunday for me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. If I got chores to catch up on around the house, we'll see. So we're just living life, dude. We're just having a good weekend, making the most of it. I'm gonna park in the back so I can look at my car and be happy with it and observe it from afar. So yeah, that's that, man. That's it for me. Enjoy your day, dude. I appreciate you watching as always. Not many updates from me. Like I said, I'm gonna do some work on the 4Runner, my daily, and kind of tell you guys about what my plans are for that. Like I said, it's not much, so don't get your hopes up. Anyways, enjoy your weekend, guys. Thanks for watching. Drive safe. See you in the next one. Peace.